go up there, I guess, huh? I wonder if they can test whether it's a male or female.
I don't know.
First thing, I just want to rule out that it's been shot. You know, I've had all kinds of crazy suspicions, you know.
That's sad.
What do you think? Should I take it out of here?
Well, why don't you take it out just because you've got this other plastic, and then you can get it on film too.
You just want your bag back, right?
Yeah, right. Booker, I know you'd be glad to help.
Booker, get out of the way.
Yeah, just there you go. There we go. You want your gloves back?
No, I'm just gonna.
There you go.